Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use tags in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, to enable it, go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now in the left panel, we have a portal configuration. So just click on it. And under that, we have project and a budget. So just click on it and make sure that tags right here is enabled. Okay. Once it's enabled, make sure to click on the save or update button. Okay. So once that's done, we'd need to create a new tag. Now in the left panel, just go ahead and select a module. Let's say, for example, tasks. Okay. Now maybe let's just go ahead and click on add a task. The task name right here, maybe a new sample task. Okay. And select project like so. Scroll down until you're under the tag section. Okay. Now start typing the new tags right here. Maybe a 2025. Hit on enter. 2026, hit on enter as well. 2027, hit on enter, just for example. Okay, so I'm just going to click on add right here, and those new tags will be added. Okay, now if you want to apply a tag to an item, let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose a task right here. Okay, maybe list view this task. Okay, I'm going to click on view right here. I'm going to scroll down to the tag section. I'm going to enter the newly created tag 2025 right here. The select one like that. And once done, you're good to go. Okay, just close this one. And if you want to filter out things, it could be a task or projects, you have the filter button right here. Just select tags right here. Go ahead and select from one of your tags. For example, I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Just hit on find, and the task right here with that specific tag will be available. Well, that is how you enable and use tags in Zoho Projects. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.